Are you thinking about incorporating machine learning into your business? Are you wondering what to do with artificial intelligence and everything it does and how your business can benefit? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to incorporate machine learning and artificial intelligence into your business. Before we move on, friends, please click the subscribe button so that you can stay informed with cutting edge and emerging technology issues that impact you and your business. So let's go back to our conversation here. Machine learning and how do you incorporate it in your business? The first step, there's 3 steps to doing this. The first step to incorporating machine learning in your business is to have a full map of your business processes. You've got to know exactly what your business is doing, how it's performing in terms of business processes. Once you've mapped out your processes, the real magic begins then. Number 2, you've got to be able to look at modifying those processes and really replacing them with automation. Which of those processes is costing you more human time, more person time? How many employees are you using to do that? How much human time of your workforce is it costing you? It's really about doing a cost to benefit analysis. Do that analysis and figure out, would it be more beneficial for you to do an automation using ML, or are you okay to have people? That's literally it. That's the bottom line of machine learning. And depending on the industry you're in, you might be working with a huge amount of data that is uncontrollable, that is so big that your people are unable to handle it or deliver the results in the right amount of time frame. Well, then you need that automation. Number 3 is do a pilot project. Do not wait to slay the big dragon, but do a small pilot project with a vendor. There are hundreds and thousands of companies in different industries, in different spaces, within different areas of machine learning that'll jump on the opportunity of doing a pilot. Do not go into a full-blown project deployment. Do a small pilot. Take one of your processes and see how your business reacts to it. At the end of the day, the incorporation, the enablement of machine learning is going to be about leadership. It's going to be acceptance within the organization and the rollout. I've seen hundreds of companies spend millions of dollars on technology, and in the end, it's a failure because they do not do the right deployment. And after deployment, they don't do the right thing that should be done, which is help their people use that technology. So those are the 3 steps, my friends. If you want to use machine learning in your organization, doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter what industry you're from. Number 1, create a full map of your business processes. Number 2, do the cost benefit analysis on how much would it cost you to have people, how much would it cost you in terms to have technology. How much is it costing you in terms of opportunity cost, and are you losing out on opportunities? You've got to get the numbers down on paper. And last but not least is do a pilot project to understand how it would all roll out. And those, my friends, are the 3 steps to enabling and using machine learning in your organization. If you like my video, please subscribe to this channel, like it, and share it with your friends. There's more coming. You take care. Until next time.